Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Walkway Arduino simulator. For those who don't have the physical Arduino board, it is a good option to go on the simulator. So first, just search on Google. The first link you will get is this Walkway Arduino simulator. So you need to sign up. I'll use a temporary mail for this video. Then you will get a link on your inbox to sign in. Just click on it and it will redirect you. So sign in is done. Now go to your projects, click on new project, Arduino Uno. So this is I'll show you how to blink an LED. So I'm taking all the necessary components. So for this blink project we need an resistor and an LED. So I'm setting this up. So I'll do all the necessary connections, ground, then your pin 13 to your resistor, and then other end to the LED. So connections have been done, and now the code. See, this is the setup function and this is the loop function. Setup function of Arduino is where you initialize your pins and other things. So first of all, I'll create a variable which will hold the pin value. Since we have used 13 here, so I'm using this variable. Now I will initialize the pin for this Arduino for our project. So since our variable contains the pin name already, okay, and this white loop keeps on running until you stop it. So you do this with digital write function. It takes the input of the name of the pin and then what you want the output. So I want high output. The bit should be 1 there, and then a delay. So I could clearly see this. This is in milliseconds. So 1000 millisecond means 1 second. Again, LED. Or I just have copied the above 2 lines. Well, it's fine anyway. So I'll again go through the code. This is where we have initialized the LED pin, which is the LED connected to the Arduino pin 13. Our ground is connected to the LED's ground pin, and the other to the resistor, so it doesn't burn our LED. This is pin mode in line in our setup function, which has initialized this LED pin for output. If we doesn't initialize, we cannot write high or low on it, and this is a delay between. So as you see from this loop, it looks like it will glow high, then it will stop for 1 second, then again glow high, then stop again for 1 second. So let's see if it's happening. Simulation. High. Oh wait, I need to do low here, otherwise you won't see any difference. So high, then it will be high for 1 second, then it will stop for 1 second, then it will be again high. Now it's working. You are getting it blinking. So this is how you stop this project. So I guess this is enough. So give it a try. Also, there are many other components you can add with this new button. You have your buzzer, you have a potentiometer, LCD display. So it's a cool platform to learn on. You also have an accelerometer here. This would be an interesting thing to do with. So please try this. And that's it for this tutorial. I'll close it now. Bye guys.